me when you want me, Lord. You can call me your property. You never been rude, no. Don't know what's going on anymore. And I could try and do things my way, but it just ain't the same. How can I replace your love? You got so much to give.
Hey Glam fam, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'm actually so happy you guys clicked on this video because today I am sharing my secret of what I love as a primer, the Aloe Vera plant. Oh my god, it's like dripping. What is wrong with me? Why did I do that? That was so dumb. I was trying to show you the plant. That was stupid. So if you want to see how I got this look with my Aloe Vera plant primer, then keep watching. Alright, so first thing you're gonna need is just your aloe vera plant and a knife. What I'm gonna do is take the plant and then I'm going to cut it. So then I'm just cut another one because I don't want the outside. And this is what it should look like. I'm just gonna cut this open. This is what we're gonna put on our face as a primer. It's like dripping. So I'm gonna take the aloe vera plant. There we go. You guys see that? This, I'm gonna just take the part that I cut, and I'm just going to, and my hands are washed. Make sure you guys wash your hands, of course, which you should always do before you do your makeup. And I'm just going to rub it on my face. Make sure you get under the eyes. Aloe vera is like really good for your skin. It helps with dark marks. So when I heard, you can use this as a primer, I'm like, oh, wait a minute. This is gonna help with my skin. So pretty much while the makeup is on your face, your skin is healing, and just positive things are happening to your skin while you're wearing makeup. Drips, I'm just gonna take that. It's like it's no wrong way to do it. You can use your hands. They're actually pretty better when you use your hands. Or you can use the go right in with the plant. I usually do it with the plant, but it's kind of difficult with trying to show you guys as well. So while sitting, it takes a minute to dry. Honestly, when I put aloe vera on my skin for a primer, I go do something, I get my makeup ready. Just while I'm sitting here, let me tell you why aloe vera is just so good for your skin and even more amazing for a primer. One, it helps soothe sunburn. So say for example you have sunburn but you still need to wear makeup. Oh, your face is just like, guys, no more makeup please, just for a second until I heal. Aloe vera helps the healing process. And one thing I love about how it makes my face look when my makeup is done is that it is a natural substance that people use to moisturize the face and make sure the face is glowing and just keep it really hydrated. So I'm like, wait a minute, so if that's under my makeup's obviously gonna pop. Anti-inflammatory, it is antibacterial. So what that means is that it is basically protecting your skin from bacteria to get in, to spread. It's just healing your skin. And it also can lighten your dark marks. I know you guys probably already know that, but pretty much what the aloe vera does, that it speeds up the reproduction of your cells. Now mind you, that is how you get rid of the dark marks, is when the cells start coming and the dead skin start falling off and new skin start growing. So this is all happening while your makeup is on, and I just feel so good to know, yes, my makeup is on, but my face is still getting clear. My face is still healing. What's up? Hey, I'm happy to be wearing makeup. A lot of people are saying makeup causes acne, stop wearing makeup. Well, not this makeup I got. It soaks in everywhere in your skin, and kind of is like you have nothing on. But then there are your problem areas, it takes a little longer to soak in, and that just kind of tells me like, hey, we understand this is a problem. We're just working a little harder on this part. We got you, girl. Like, that's kind of what I can tell, because I don't know if you can notice, but everything is dry but this part. And this is my problem area. I'm not even sure if you guys can see it. Today I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation in 356 Warm Coconut. And this is what it looks like. Alright, this foundation is actually really nice for the simple fact that I didn't conceal my face to get rid of my dark marks before I even did the foundation. With the concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte concealer in Tan Deep. I got a sample again, baby. So this is what it looks like. This is the color. Definitely take a damn beauty blender with this concealer because it's super thick. Now to, contour my face, I'm going to use a foundation today, and I'm going to take the L'Oreal foundation in C9. And just go around, so I'll go forehead, 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 forehead. Suck them cheeks in, and you're going to go on the line. I actually like to spray it with the dewy, my NYX Dewy Finish Spray. And this is just to make sure, there we go, spray my beauty blender. And it's just to make sure like it goes, it's flawless. I'm really nervous when it comes to dark colors, so, just be careful. Definitely gonna set my freaking face because this concealer is thick as heck. And when it's thick, it can crease up. Well, all concealer can crease up for me. Yeah, it's me. And so for to contour, I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match. So like, okay, you can see like it's a little bit darker than me, not that much, but I know with the highlight that I'm gonna do, this powder is still gonna come out. So sometimes you don't have to get a super dark powder to contour your face, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take the same concealer and I'm going to prime my eyes. Going to take some powder, not a lot, and just set that on my eyes. Help everything blend flawlessly. I'm going to take off the powder that I have on my face. Oh, I'm gonna use this brush, it's like fluffier. I'm going to go in with this, this light brown, put a little bit above it because we're just warming up our lid. Go in this, it's a deeper brown, a little bit deeper than the one I just used. So I'm gonna go in the crease, but a little bit, then I'll start to drag it a little bit lower, just so we can get a little bit on the lid. So like this, not like super up top. And I'm definitely not focusing, I don't wanna drag it too hard. Actually go in with this super light color. I'm gonna take my first brush and just blend everything out. Probably add some more of that brown and just blend. I'm going to take the first two browns that I used, mix them together. Take the same brush that I used on my lid, and then I'm gonna take that light, what is it, like tan brown, and just go right here. My eyeliner, super cute, but nothing too crazy. I did my eyebrows off camera, so that's totally fine though, because I have an eyebrow tutorial. So if you want to see how I get these eyebrows, then the link is down below. I'm going to use this lipstick from MAC called Cocktail Kiss. This is kind of what it looks like. Okay, so with this lipstick being kind of plum, I'm gonna add some pink to it. I'm going to take Kinda Sexy by MAC, and it's more of a lighter tone. I'm gonna put this in the middle of my lips. Now I'm going to finish my face, and I'm going to take this highlighter from the NYX Contour Palette. I'm going to use this right here. And take a blush from that same palette. And it's like a cute brush. I like it. Right here. Alright guys, so I'm going to get dressed and I'm going to show you guys the finished look. I'll be right back.
You always on time for me, and no, you never told lies to me. Tell me when you want me, Lord, you can call me your property.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so happy you got this far in the video. Y'all the real MVP, okay? So make sure you just give this video a thumbs up. If you try the aloe vera plant, definitely comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about it. And subscribe to my channel, please, so we can always stay in touch. So don't forget, my name is LaRosaa with 2 A's, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.